Natural light transforms a home, creating brighter, more welcoming spaces that feel larger and more connected to the outdoors. For homeowners in Kendall, where sunny days and beautiful scenery abound, incorporating natural light into your home design is a must. Casement windows are an excellent solution, offering a stylish and functional way to maximize sunlight. Their unique design and versatility make them an ideal choice for enhancing natural light in Kendall homes. Here's how casement windows can brighten your living spaces and improve your overall home environment. Unobstructed glass for maximum light. Unlike some window styles that include multiple frames or panes, casement windows are typically designed with large, unobstructed glass panels. This allows sunlight to flow freely into your home, making rooms feel brighter and more open. Why it works for Kendall homes. Large glass areas let in more light, even on cloudy days. A minimalist frame design ensures no unnecessary obstructions, maximizing the amount of light entering your home. For Kendall's sunny climate, casement windows take full advantage of the abundant natural light, enhancing both comfort and aesthetics. Wide-opening design for full light access casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward, creating a wide opening that allows natural light to enter from all angles. This design is particularly effective in rooms where light is limited or in spaces with shaded exteriors. Key benefits. The outward opening sash captures and directs sunlight into your home. The wide opening helps brighten even dimly lit areas, such as hallways, bathrooms, and small rooms. By maximizing light access, casement windows can transform dark corners into vibrant, well-lit spaces. Ideal placement for optimal sunlight. Casement windows are versatile and can be strategically placed to maximize natural light throughout your home. Whether installed in living rooms, bedrooms, or kitchens, they enhance sunlight's reach and create a cheerful ambiance. Best placement ideas. South-facing walls. Capture sunlight throughout the day. North-facing walls. Bring in soft, diffused light for a calming effect. Above counters or furniture. Add light to functional spaces without compromising privacy. In Kendall, where tropical landscapes often surround homes, casement windows also frame outdoor views beautifully, further enhancing the natural lighting effect. Pairing with other windows. For enhanced light, casement windows can be paired with other window styles, such as fixed or picture windows, to create stunning visual features and maximize light flow. Creative combinations. Combine casement windows with picture windows for a dramatic effect in living or dining rooms. Use casement windows as sidelights beside doors to brighten entryways. Pair with transom windows above for even greater light exposure. These combinations allow you to customize your home's lighting and style while making the most of Kendall's sunny weather. Energy efficiency without sacrificing light. While natural light is a priority, homeowners in Kendall also need to consider energy efficiency to keep their homes cool and reduce energy costs. Modern casement windows are designed to let in sunlight while minimizing heat transfer. Energy-efficient features. Low-E glass. Reflects heat while allowing sunlight to pass through, reducing cooling costs. Double or triple glazing. Improves insulation and keeps your home comfortable. Weatherproof seals. Prevent air leaks while maintaining optimal light levels. These features ensure you can enjoy a bright home without sacrificing energy efficiency, making casement windows a smart choice for Kendall's warm climate. Enhanced aesthetics with natural light. Natural light highlights the beauty of your home's interiors, showcasing textures, colors, and design elements. Casement Windows' sleek and modern design enhances this effect, creating a cohesive look that elevates your home's appeal. Visual benefits. Brightened spaces appear larger and more inviting. Natural light highlights flooring, furniture, and decor, adding depth and vibrancy to your interiors. From the exterior, sunlit interiors visible through casement windows create a welcoming impression. For Kendall homeowners, casement windows blend functionality with style, improving both interior and exterior aesthetics. Health and well-being benefits. Natural light has been proven to boost mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. By installing casement windows, you can enjoy these health benefits daily in your Kendall home. How it helps. Increased sunlight exposure supports better sleep patterns and reduces stress. Bright, airy spaces create a positive living environment that's uplifting and energizing. For families in Kendall, casement windows contribute to a healthier and more enjoyable home. Low maintenance. For long-term light casement windows are designed for durability and ease of maintenance, ensuring they remain functional and attractive for years to come. Maintenance tips. Clean the large glass panes regularly to keep light flowing freely. Inspect and lubricate hinges for smooth operation. Check weatherproof seals periodically to maintain energy efficiency and light exposure. With minimal upkeep, casement windows can continue enhancing your home's natural light for decades. Final thought. Casement windows are a versatile and stylish solution for maximizing natural light in Kendall homes. Their large, unobstructed glass panes, wide-opening design, and energy-efficient features make them a standout choice for homeowners looking to brighten their spaces and improve comfort. By working with a trusted window professional, you can customize and install casement windows that suit your home's design and lighting needs. Whether you're updating your current property or building new, casement windows are a smart investment that enhances the beauty, functionality, and livability of your Kendall home.